Jai Swaminarayan friends, we have discussed about the chapter number 6, maximum minimum function problem sum. Discuss the exercise 6.5, right? Now in this lecture we have discussed about the sum 19, 20 and 21. Yeah. Three most IMP sum and lengthy sum. 5 marker. 19, 20 and 21. Look your question. 19 question. Question number 19. Show that of all the rectangle inscribed in a given fixed circle. Just hold it. First we draw the circle. Right? Okay. Then we draw the rectangle. Okay. Name A, B, C and D. Its length is X, breadth is Y. Breadth is Y. And this is your diagonal and center is circle, the center is O. Right? And this is your radius. Again, radius and hold the diameter. It is your 2 times of radius. You have studied in 9th and 10th standard theorem of the circle. Right? In a semicircle, this is your semicircle. This is your diameter, AC is the diameter. So this part is semicircle and this one is also semicircle. In a semicircle inscribed in a triangle, always right angle triangle. 90 degree angle. ABC is always 90 degree. ADC is also 90 degree. If you can join diagonal BD, then angle C is also 90, angle A is also 90. So by the 9 and 10 standard theorem, this is your right angle triangle. Here total 2 right angle triangle. Clear? You can apply the Pythagoras theorem in any one right triangle. Any one. Then read the question. You can apply first Pythagoras theorem. Right? Circle at center O. Circle at center O and rectangle length equal to X and breadth equal to Y. So in a triangle, right angle triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, right? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay? Now AC is 2R. 4R square equal to X square plus Y square. Okay? 4R square equal to X square plus Y square. Now just hold it. Just hold it. Now read the question. Now read the question. Show that of all the rectangle inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has the maximum area. Here the formula applied the rectangle area. Area equal to length into breadth. Area equal to length into breadth. Rectangle area. Now here you can subject X, then put the value of X. So our total function is given in Y variable. If you create here subject the Y, suppose you can say here subject Y and put the value of Y here. So your function is a variable in terms of X. You can any one subject and place here the value. This is our function because our area is maximum or minimum, we prove this. Right? Okay? Suppose we here the subject Y square. Y square equal to 4R square minus X square. Right? Therefore y equal to root 4r square minus x square. This is our value of y. Now put here a equal to x as it is 4r square minus x square. You can write here fx also. This is our function. Now all the sums in maximum minimum problem sums. First the function fx, we find it. Then its derivative f dash x equal to 0. Then find the value x or y anyone and prove this figure is whatever. Here our question is the rectangle is prove the square. Look your question. Show that of all the rectangle inscribed in given fixed circle, the square is the minimum, maximum or minimum. So here f dash we take f dash x equal to 0. Then first we prove this figure is a square. Then we second order derivative, we can prove maximum or minimum anyone. Look here. Now f dash x. You can write also a, right one. So derivative dA by dx. Here r is the constant because radius never can be changed here because fixed circle in your question. Apply the multiplication rule. X as it is. Derivative of root 2 half root. And 4r square derivative 0, x square derivative is minus 2x. Then 4r square minus x square as it is, derivative of x is 1. Right? Here the 2 cancel upon 1. Now take LCM. 4r square minus x square. Minus x square plus 4r square minus x square. This is your f dash x. Again. So 4r square minus 2x square upon minus x square minus x square. 4r square minus x square. Now f dash x equal to 0. So 4r square minus 2x square. This one is 0. Right? Now 2 is the common. 2 is common. So x square will take left side. X square equal to 2r square. Therefore x equal to root 2r. Now put here or any, this one too, anyone. Suppose we put here y square equal to 4r square minus x square equal to 2r square. So y square equal to 2r square, y equal to root 2r. X and y both are equal, therefore the figure is square. Because x is length, y is breadth, length and breadth whenever equal, so figure always rectangle in convert to square. Right? So here we prove figure is a square. Now we find the second order derivative. This is your first order derivative. Now we find the second order derivative when answer is greater than 0 or less than 0 when we write the statement, maximum or minimum. Okay? Now here we erase this. Now second order derivative f double dash x. Apply the division rule. So denominator square of the square root of the square can cancel. 4r square minus x square. Now denominator as it is. Root 4r square minus x square. Derivative of numerator 4r square 0 and here minus 4x. Minus 4r square minus 2x square. Numerator as it is. Derivative of denominator. We right here. This one. So 2 cancel, only minus x upon root 4r square minus x square. Clear? Now put x square equal to, we prove here x square equal to 2r square. Put here both 1. But first we put here, check the answer. X square equal to 2r square. So 2 2s are 4r square. 4r square minus 4r square 0. That means this term is a 0. And root answer is always positive. Here positive, here also positive, but the negative sign is before here, right here. So this answer is the negative answer. Right? So f double dash root 2r, x equal to root 2r is less than 0. Then we write the statement local maximum value exists. Our answer is this one. First we prove the figure is square and area of square is maximum. Look your question. Show that all the rectangle inscribed in a given fixed circle the square. So first we prove the figure square and has the maximum area. Clear? Okay. Now we discuss the second question. Next question. (20 and 21) both are same, but both are calculated. Show that the right circular cylinder. Yeah, first we draw the right circular cylinder. First we draw a right circular cylinder. Radius. This is your height. Okay? The shape of this type. Right circular cylinder. Read your question first, then we discuss. Show that the right circular cylinder of given surface and maximum volume given surface. So surface area is given, but maximum volume, we prove that volume is maximum. Whenever is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base. Height h, diameter of the base, that is radius 2 times. That means we prove h equal to 2r. Okay. Now discuss. This is your right circular cylinder. Right? Its surface area, this one is called surface area, CSA. 2 pi RH. And this area is circle. Circle area is pi r square. And again here pi r, closed cylinder pi r square. Pi r square. So total surface area is TSA is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square. So our surface area S equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Here S is the constant. Okay, now we prove volume is the maximum. So volume is pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is maximum. Now here you can subject here r also, otherwise h also. If your subject is r, but r is here, two places here. 2 pi r h here r and 2 pi r square r. So here not possible the subject of r. So we here easily subject of the h. Right? 2 pi r square is the left side and 2 pi r h is the denominator. First we did 2 pi r square left side. S minus 2 pi r square equal to 2 pi r h. Now h equal to 2 pi r is denominator. So h equal to s minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. Clear? Okay? Now put here. So our function is only one variable, pi r square s minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. So pi cancel, r1 time cancel, r by 2, r as it is, 2 as it is, s minus 2 pi r square. Now multiply, open the bracket. So s by 2 into r minus 2 to cancel, pi r cube. This is our function in variable r. Right? You can write also v and fr, both are, because our function is only convert the fr, r variable. Now derivative. F dash r, derivative of r is 1, s by 2 is the coefficient. And here 3 pi r square. Now f dash r equal to 0. So s upon 2 minus 3 pi r square. So 3 pi r square equal to s upon 2. Therefore s equal to 6 pi r square. Now put 6 pi r square in this one. First result. Put here. So s equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Now put here s equal to 6 pi r square. So 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. So 6 pi r square minus 2 pi r square. 4 pi r square equal to 2 pi rh. Okay, now pi cancel, r 1 time cancel, and 2 2s are 4. So here 2r equal to h. Therefore our answer, first answer is given. Height is the diameter of the base. Height and diameter of the base both are equal. This one is prove that. Right? Now we take second order derivative and answer is maximum or minimum. Right? Now here second order, f double dash r. There the constant comes 0. So answer is minus 6 pi r. R square is 2r. So minus 6 pi r. So f double dash r is less than 0. You can put r radius. R is the radius. Radius never can be positive. Negative. So answer always negative. So f double dash r is less than 0. And less than 0, then we write the statement local maximum value exists. We prove here maximum volume. Show that the right circular cylinder of given surface and maximum volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of base. Height is equal to diameter of the base and maximum volume. Complete. Okay. Now 21. Same question. Here surface area is given and we prove the volume is the maximum. Now next question, volume is given, surface area is maximum or minimum. Same question. Read your question. 21. Of all the closed cylindrical right circular of a given volume, volume is 100 cubic centimeter. Volume is given. Volume equal to pi r square h. 100 is given. Pi r square h. Now we decide the subject, whichever the variable. Yeah, find the dimension of the can. Dimension, that is radius and height. We find it. Dimension of the can which has the minimum surface area. Now our surface area is 2 pi rh and 2 pi r square. Suppose we subject here r square, then easily put here, but easily here we take the square root and the function is typical. So we create the subject h. So easy, only one place here, right? Therefore h equal to 100 upon pi r square. Place here 2 pi r into 100 upon pi r square plus 2 pi r square. Pi cancel, 1 time r cancel. 200 upon r plus 2 pi r square. This is your function fr, original function. Right? Now we derive and find dimension, then maximum and minimum. 200 is the constant, 1 upon r derivative is minus 1 upon r square. So minus 2 upon 200 upon r square. And here the derivative is 4 pi r. Now f dash r equal to 0. So minus 200 upon r square plus 4 pi r. We take left side. 200 upon r square equal to 4 pi r. 450 is r. Here r square into multiplication form. So r cube. Pi is division. 50 upon pi. Therefore, we take cube root. In both the sides, 50 upon pi power 1 by 3. R cube answer is 50 upon pi. Therefore, r equal to 50 upon pi whole power 1 by 3 cube root. Okay? Power reciprocal in the other side. Okay, now this value is put here. Then we find h. Put here. H equal to, we find the value of r. We have find the total two dimension r and h. So h equal to 100 upon pi r square. Now square 1 by 3 square, that is power of the power multiplication 2 by 3. So 50 power 2 by 3 and denominator of the denominator pi raised to 2 by 3. Okay, so 100 split them 50 into 2, 100 equal to 50 into 2. Okay, and here 50 power 2 by 3 upon denominator pi power 1, here 50 power 1 also, and 50 power 2 by 3. Now 2 as it is, here 50 upon power 1 same base, 1 minus 2 by 3, so power 1 by 3. Sorry, we write here pi. Same again, same 1 and 2 by 3, so denominator pi is to 1 by 3, 1 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3, same power, so 2 into 50 upon pi power 1 by 3, so h equal to, this is your radius, 50 upon pi power 1 by 3, so 2r. Before we discuss the next question, 20 question is same one. Height is the radius of the 2 times the radius of the cone, sorry, cylinder. Otherwise height and diameter are same. This is your diameter, so height and diameter of the cone both are same. Now this is your first order derivative. Now you go to the second order derivative, maximum or minimum. You can try right here, f double s r, 1 upon minus 200 is the constant, 1 upon r square, that is r raised to minus 2. Derivative of this function is minus 2 r raised to minus 3, right? So minus 2 upon r cube. Clear? Minus 200 as it is, its derivative 1 upon r square derivative is minus 2 upon r cube. So minus minus plus 400 upon r cube, and here the function 4 pi, derivative of r is 1. So radius is always positive, so answer is again greater than 0. Answer is positive, right? F double s r is not negative answer, positive answer. So we write a statement, local minimum value exists. How does it prove that? Of all the closed cylindrical can right side of a given volume 100 cubic centimeter, find the dimension of the can which has the minimum surface area. Yeah, minimum greater than 0, that's answer minimum, right? Okay, so 3 sum is 5 marker sum. Practice this sum, and next sum discuss in next lecture also. Okay, so thank you very much.